So you're welcome to our channel, beautiful people. God bless you for clicking on this video. On today we'll be showing you how we keep this beautiful hair that you see or saw on the thumbnail, how we keep it thick, long, heady, and the process. Okay, so before we start, I would like to tell you what I got here. This is Amando oil, olio amandolo, that is how they call it in Italy. I want to let you know this is more beneficial on your scalp than every other oil, except you add essential oil to it. I have not been using essential oil for my children's scalp because they are still very young. I don't think they need something that powerful. And I'll be putting a little bit inside here, this spray bottle, and then I just finished, and again I will moisturize this hair, and I will be twisting it one after the other, just the way it is now after 2 weeks of braiding it. So this is the process we go through in order to avoid what this is only water, warm water beside me, in order to avoid breakage whenever you are dealing with hair that has or got length already. Okay, as it can easily break. Okay, it can easily break. So what we are doing now is moisturizing. You can see the tips. I just unravel it because I protected it when we made it. For instance, this one has not been unraveled. I twist the tips. This is how we preserve the tips of our hair in order to sustain length. Okay, after doing this, I massage it in already. So this is what I will be doing now. I will be brushing the hair round. I'll be brushing the hair round because of the angles that tangle, if possible. The middle depends of what the hair is saying or what I am saying. Okay, so after doing this, this is where I want to treat the scalp now. My phone there, it got dirty. Baby girl says it's on dishwasher, so I don't want to use it, and else it will still be wet. So I just manage my life like this. Thank God everything went fine. So you can see I bought this yesterday. 1 liter of Amando oil, Amando oil. I'm used to pronouncing it according to Italian language.
It's red mandorle. It's red mandorle.
Red mandorle? See, mandorle, yeah, you're right. So this is what I will be doing now. I will just spray this oil. Please, beautiful soul, remember to give me thumbs up in order to help YouTube algorithm to take this video for a very good amount of it. Tell me what you think. Because by the time I massage it, I will know that it will circulate up to the part that is not yet unraveled. But when we that got thick hair like this, we don't pity product, else the hair will suffer it. Okay, so I want you to know once again that this oil is more beneficial. It's very beneficial on your scalp. It does penetrate, but olive what is it called, coconut oil? No, coconut oil is more beneficial on hair strand, why this is more on your scalp. So like for me, sometimes if I want to use it, I mix a couple of oil together with essential oil because I'm growing older. I need my hair to be boosted. So the kids' hair are naturally just growing without any assistance. All we are doing is to maintain it. Okay, this is what we are doing now. In case you care to know, this hair was twisted by her sister, so I have gradually started teaching them how to do all of this because they are growing and we have 3 bush hair. So you see, after doing this now, I will not be adding product to the word to the strand because I will add a little bit later when I'm unravel it. For the fact that we're not washing the hair, it still got product. Okay, so like this one now, I will go through it minimum of 3 minutes. what we are doing now, we are boosting the blood to relocate very well to the scalp, and this causes massive heady scalp and hair growth. Okay, so it's not easy to be doing scalp massage when your hair is open. In most cases, it got the hair tangle, but if it's like this, I think it's more easier. So you do this to be sincere, you will feel it here, you will feel it on here, you will feel it here. Okay, because you are applying force, you must feel it on your muscles. Okay, do this minimum of 3 minutes. And if somebody is really doing this on your head or on your scalp, it's more beautiful, especially when your husband is handling it for you with all care and love. Okay, after doing this now, this is what I will be doing. Once again, I will just brush it around like this to make sure it's smooth. You see the scalp? You can see the scalp? How beautiful it look now. It looks so pure, refresh. Then after which, I will take shower cap. In order to make the shower cap dirty, I might use please pick it up for me, thank you. How many of us do keep nylon bag after shopping? Please. What did they eat? Bump it cannot be winch. So I'm doing this in order not to get that scalp too dirty. Although it's just oil, I'll do this. This will stay for minimum of 30 minutes from now if you're in a hurry, but if you manage to leave for 1 hour, it's good. This is to make the water to penetrate well and to revive the moisture on the hair, like the product that was on the hair before when we maintained it about 2 weeks ago. With this heat and this water, the hair will revive. It will revive the product, the moisture. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. And this will help the hair easy to take down and what to manipulate later, so that inside the hair strand won't remain dry. Okay, and the hair is already warm because of the massage. I can even feel the scalp, feel warm because of the massage. So this is the best way for us, that is working for us, to do maintain. Is that the right word to say? To maintain twists or to rebraid hair if you are not washing, because if you take everything down, detangle it and begin to separate it again, you will encourage a little bit of breakage and pain, intention on the scalp, and will give you more job. Okay, so if you take it out one after the other, detangle it. If you need a little bit more product, you add to it and twist it. It will make things more easier and less stressful for everybody, both the hair owner, both the hair maker. Okay, so this is what this video is all about today. I hope you take something out of it. Please, once again, almond oil is very good for scalp. Okay, I know if you speak again English, the benefit, you know, it's very good. So if for baby a load like this is good to go, but for adults like us, I add essential oil to it to provoke the hair by fire by force to grow. Bye for now. God bless you. Say bye bye after licking your tongue. It's well with you. Lick your tongue on the camera. Yeah. No? Yeah, I know I did, you know.